Hi, I am Miriam Ross and I am happy to present my project, Impact of Plastic Bag Pollution on Australian Marine Life, to you, my tutors and peers. Plastic bag pollution has led to the death and injury of Australian marine life, contributing to a decline in the overall health of ocean environments. Continued use of plastic bags and disposal methods need to be addressed in order to ensure healthy marine animals to enable the continuation of species and environments for future generations. So why plastic bags? Well, a single plastic bag is not obviously threatening to the environment. However, as Australians use and dispose of 5 billion plastic bags a year, the problem is now significant. I chose this project because most Australians use plastic bags, so it can potentially help solve this issue. I relied on secondary online research, starting with government websites to locate relevant, reliable data, specifically the Department of the Environment and Energy Archive, whose publications contain quantitative information that directly addressed the research questions. Further research was completed using the Curtin University Library and Google Scholar to find articles published by scientists, experts and academics, and literature more than 10 years old was excluded. I used key phrases such as plastic bag pollution and Australian marine life and/or oceans to filter results. As plastic bag pollution has also been addressed by businesses and volunteer organisations, literature they produced was considered. However, their use was limited to those with consistent scientific reporting. So what did I find? In Australia, 3.76 billion plastic bags are disposed of in landfill each year. 10% of these enter the ocean from land-based and marine sources. Plastic bags last up to 1,000 years in the ocean, and a thin plastic bag can take 6 months to a year to break down and can photodegrade, breaking into smaller pieces. Plastic pollution outlasts the decay of animals and can be re-released into the environment. This means that plastic bag pollution is an ongoing problem in Australian oceans because it is hazardous to marine life. There are a minimum of 77 species of Australian marine wildlife impacted by plastic bag pollution, including marine turtles, cetaceans, seabirds, dugongs, pinnipeds, and sharks and rays. When ingested, plastic bags cause blockages in the digestive tract, leading to starvation or contamination from toxic chemicals. Animals also become entangled in plastic bags, causing deformities, injuries, drowning, and strangulation. It can be seen then that plastic bags are responsible for the death of marine animals. CSIRO studies have linked plastic bag pollution to failing ocean health caused by declining biodiversity due to premature death of marine life. For example, floating and degraded bags and leach chemicals are linked to poor water quality animals live in. Plastic bags which settle on the ocean floor prevent growth of vegetation, inhibiting animals' ability to graze. So what are the implications? There is a clear threat to individual marine animals posed by plastic bags. However, there is little data regarding population-level consequences and long-term impact on ecosystems. Despite this, the scientific community supports the efforts made to reduce the production and use of non-biodegradable plastic bags. Findings indicate current attempts to solve this issue do not address sustainability for future generations and is disastrous for marine life, so the use of fully biodegradable plastics in the future is recommended. In the meantime, as much plastic as possible should be recycled, with the remainder disposed of responsibly, and we should continue to support businesses investigating plastic bag alternatives. This project can be linked with content descriptors as described in the Australian Curriculum Science strand. It is best suited to Year 3 students who can use their prior knowledge to help formulate an investigation without being confronted with overly complex material. Thank you.